My name is Dominc Olson. I'm 26. My shop is Big O Fabrications. I got the car when I was 10. My grandpa built cars in the Boyd Coddington era, so he was a street rod builder, and so I just naturally started picking it up from him. I built the car while I was in high school, but then I really started going after it, and right after I got out of Wyotech in Laramie. It's a 1937 Ford Coupe. It's the business coupe instead of the opera coupe. It's all steel, no fiberglass. Everything on the car's factory original to what it is, other than the modifications that have been done. Starting off from the front bumper, it's been cut and sectioned back 2.5 inches. It's also been narrowed. The bumper brackets have been completely remade and re-rounded. The grille is pretty stock other than the bottom. The bottom of the grille is all Frenched and all the seams are welded and done. Same with the top of the grille. On all the parts that are seamed, they've been cleaned and welded up and smoothed out. The engine's 350. It's built a little bit with Patronics in the distributor, so it's not HEI just yet. Throttle linkage is all custom made. The motor and the trans have all been completely smoothed up, and the casting's been taken off and painted, polished and painted red to match the wheels. The inside's all been redone in white tuck and roll vinyl. The dash is 37 Ford, but it's all been color matched to match the interior, two-tone. And all the gauges have been redone. And they're factory looking, but they all work like they're normal gauges. The 40 steering wheel is a original steering wheel, so it's not the cut down one, it's the factory one, and it's two-tone match the paint and the interior. All upgraded stereo and everything. Back seat, these cars never had a back seat, so I built one for it. Taillights are factory 37. They're molded to make them look like 37 Lincoln Zephyr, but they fit the bucket of the light. The whole underside of the hood has been molded and finished and body worked and painted. Firewall, I filled 168 holes in the firewall and body worked and finished it. Where the battery goes on the firewall, I made a battery cover for it to hide it. And it's made out of a 30s or 40s tractor hood. We do everything here. It's just me and another guy. And we do, like I say, paint, body, sheet metal, chassis, everything. If I was to win Battle of the Builders, it would be cool. It would be definitely a chance of a lifetime. You know, it's not just that, it's all the people you can meet and stuff like that, that you really get a connection and get to meet good people, and that's the reason.